Okay, welcome back to part 2 of this video. If you are new here, there is a part 1 where I'm just bleaching and customizing a wig, straightening it, just something simple. All right, and if you've seen that, then you'll definitely have seen the packaging, the wig, me bleaching, and again, like I said, me flat ironing the wig. Okay, so now we're at the part where I'm about to not customize, but install this wig gluelessly with you guys. All right, you guys see me do this so many times, but if you have not, hey, my name is Sin. I customize and create wigs here on YouTube and off. You can call me Sin or Ayani, and if you could, hey, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram information is in the description box for you guys, okay? So you guys don't usually see me do this part of my wig. So this is my bald cap, all right? So I'll mold my bald cap down, and now what I'm doing is taking the end of my razor, and I'm outlining my actual hairline, because I like my wigs to sit on my actual hairline, because I do have a low hairline in certain areas, so that makes it look the most realistic for me, right? This method works for me. I don't know if it works for anybody else that have a lower hairline, but you should definitely try it, because it definitely works, and it definitely protects my hairline when it comes to like adhering wigs down actually on my hairline, because it's now protected, right? So I like to etch it out, and then once I have it, I like to cut in the middle and then cut the excessive cap off, and then you'll see that piece hanging, and then I'll do the same thing for the other side. I'll cut it all the way off, and then after each side is cut off and you have two sides hanging on the side, I like to tie it in a knot in the back, and I do that because it helps keep my wig cap down. Like, it does not lift up whatsoever while I'm wearing my wig. So then I like to take my Ruby Kisses makeup. I'm in a shade 16. It's a bit dark for me, but I don't mind it. These are $4 from the beauty supply. You do not have to use expensive makeup for this step at all. You can use powder, or you can use cream foundation like I am doing. And I'm taking a Real Technique buffer brush, and I'm buffing that makeup on my stocking cap so I can have a nice seamless install. Okay. So we are putting a wig on, and I'm just clipping the hair back because I don't want it in my way when I am using my boho liquid gold to adhere this. So I'm just making sure that the wig is sitting right. I actually like this color on me. It's like a golden sandy brown, and it looks really nice. At first I was kind of iffy if it wasn't gonna look nice on me, because it did have, like, you know, the little warm highlights throughout this wig, but it actually came out really nice on me. You know, I'm good for throwing some roots on a wig, but I don't think this one needed roots on me. So here's the wig. I'm just going to pre-cut the lace because I just want to see how it will look, and then I'm just using my boho liquid gold. I'm taking the smallest amount whatsoever, and I'm just putting it on my skin and a little bit on my hair, but not a lot. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just blow dry it down. Once it's tacky, I'm gonna lay my lace down, and then I'm gonna also take my blow dryer again and just make sure that it's blow dried in place. And this lace matched me really, really, really good. I was very much surprised. Look at it. Like, it's like you could barely see it. Like, I just needed to touch it up with a little bit of makeup, and that was it. So yes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it down, and just go ahead and remove the remainder of the lace off of this unit. So once the lace is all the way down, I'm going to go ahead and take some of my Ruby Kisses on a small brush, and I'm just going to pat that on the edge of my hairline just to help it blend in a little bit more, because it blended in real good, but it was still kind of a little ashy, so I could still see the excessive lace on it. So I just used a little bit of makeup and that concealed it. And so I did not originally cut baby hairs on this wig, so I did decide that I did want some baby hairs, because I feel like I just look right with baby hairs. Okay, so, and especially my type, because I only use it on my temples and my sideburns. So I'm going to cut them and then use my razor to cut the baby hairs, and then I'm going to use my spritz to lay them down. I do that on both sides, and once that's done, I'm going to pin my hair up and clip my hair out of my way. And I'm going to use my Got To Be Free spray to spray my hairline down, just to make sure that everything is melted down, that there's no little pieces that are sticking up, just for a secure melt. And I do that, and then I wrap my hairline down with my elastic band, and this is how my hair turned out. Thank you, Unice, for sending me this sandy brown wig. This is a really pretty color. If you're interested in this wig, I will definitely leave the information down below in the description box for you guys. And until next time, bye, best friends.